Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to copy the hidden list of words from comments on Facebook using the latest web update for PC. It's quick, simple, and you don't need any extra tools, just your browser and a few clicks. So let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open Facebook's main menu. From here, scroll down a little and select Settings and Privacy. When the new menu expands, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where all of Facebook's main customization options are listed on the left-hand side. Now, in that left-hand menu, find and click on Profile and Tagging. This section controls how people interact with your post and what appears on your profile. Scroll down until you see hide comments containing certain words from your profile and click on it. Facebook uses this option to automatically filter out comments that include specific words or phrases you've chosen to block. Here's where the hidden word list lives. Next to the text box containing those words, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear and you'll notice an option called Copy List. Go ahead and select Copy List, and Facebook will instantly copy your entire blocked words list to your clipboard. You can then paste it anywhere you want, like a document or notes app for safekeeping or editing. And that's it. You've just copied the hidden list of words from your Facebook comment settings. This feature is really handy if you want to back up your filter list, share it with someone else, or simply keep track of what words you've blocked. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more practical Facebook tips and stay updated with the newest features that make managing your account easier than ever.